All right, so what we want to do is we want to find something that now Facebook recommends, right? What they suggest to be relevant to Dr. Josh Axe. So when we click suggestions here, Facebook will automatically list all the different pages, celebrity figures, interests, or any sort of demographics that are related to Dr. Josh Axe, right? Facebook has all that information, and so that's how they're able to give you all these suggestions. And so what we want to do is we want to grab a list of all these interests. We want to write it down, and you're going to come back to audience insights here and do the same process over again so you can really laser target things based off Facebook suggestions. And Facebook is smart, right? They have a really genius system that can help you find the right types of interest. So what we're going to do is we will write down, let's say for instance, once we click suggestions, we'll see like Daniel, Amen, whatever. Chris Carr. We can try see. I don't even know who this is, but let's try searching that up. So Chris Carr. He's a public figure, it says right here. So let's go ahead and click this. And it seems like 97% of women are interested in Chris Carr. Of all the 100% that are interested in Chris Carr, 97% of them are women. Now, they're also at the age mainly from 35 to 65 plus. And so this is a pretty good interest, right? And we're going to take a look at page likes to see if there's any more information we can find, right? Now we also find Mark Hyman. And so we also saw his suggestion here, right? Mark Hyman. Now he's another doctor maybe in weight loss that helps people lose weight. And so you want to go ahead and write that down and then go back in here, right? And you'll notice that you can find a ton of different interests this way as well. Write it down, come back. Now, you're going to type in Chris Carr or whoever other interest that you find, and then go into page likes. And once I write these down, now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite these down here as well, and then come back to detailed targeting to find even more suggestions. So right here, Sarah Fried. Was it with a H? No, it wasn't. So. And so she's an MD doctor. And so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, boom. And for the video demonstration, guys, we will cover this, but understand that we do not use expand your detail targeting to reach more people when it's likely to improve performance button, okay? So we are not using this. And so as you can see, the potential reach is all the way down to 120,000 people. Yes, we are going to cover the potential reach, so just continue to pay attention. We're going to go over in just a couple minutes, okay? And so that's how you can utilize suggestions, how you can go back and forth to discover more interest, okay? So that's just another tactic. And the next method that we use is called browse, all right? And so right here, boom. So you can manually select to see which demographics, interests, or behaviors are available all throughout. So what we want to do is just go ahead and click browse. And once you click browse, you'll notice that there's demographics, interests, and behaviors, and you can actually further expand on these. And so you can find even more stuff that may fall into the right category for yourself, okay? And before I do, I want to share some knowledge candy with you guys, right? So under the behaviors here, there's a section called purchase behavior, right? Boom, right here, purchase behavior. So under this purchase behavior, there is what we call engaged shoppers. Now, this is an audience group of people whom Facebook recognizes as potential buyers because they have clicked the button shop now in the past week. Okay, so people who fall under this category, there's a ton of them, right? 367,000 people that have clicked shop now in the past week. That's a ton. However, it does not mean that they have purchased something. It just understands the tendency of the audience and saying, you know, these people have clicked shop now, meaning they have shown an interest in shopping for something. And so that's why this is something that you can possibly utilize. All right. So let's say we come down here under demographics. Something I want to share with you guys too is under demographics and under financial here. And under financial, you'll see income that pops up, right? Boom, household income, top 10%, household income, top 10%.